to infinity and read on.
Hi, Kollector here. Today we're going to show you Pixel Pals from PDP.
And this is the Street Fighter 30th Anniversary Edition from Performance Design Products. No, but we have two Pixel Pals. And these Pixel Pals, they are the Street Fighter 30th Anniversary Edition. We got Chun-Li and Ryu. And as you can see on the box, it has the Street Fighter logo, the 30th Anniversary logo down there, Capcom on the side, and then a little description of the character on the back. And these Pixel Pals actually light up as well. So that was Chun-Li. We'll show you the back of Ryu as well. And there is the front of both of them. And we'll go ahead and open them up.
And we're going to open them up.
Okay, you'll open that one, I'll open this one. Here, let me help you out with that.
Mine's already open. There. I got mine. Quickly.
So there they are. Here they are out of the box. Do you know who you opened up?
No.
Okay, that's Ryu, and this is Chun-Li.
I opened Ryu.
So what I'm gonna do now is put two AAA batteries in here, and then we'll turn them on.
Yep.
So put the batteries in. We turned off the front light here just so you could see it illuminate a little bit better.
Yeah, and so it can go.
Ready to go?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, on.
See, they go.
There's Ryu and Chun-Li.
Why do they make a noise?
Those are Pixel Pals.
And on the back of the battery casing, you can see it says Pixel Pals PDP. I don't know if you can actually see that. PDP and the character Ryu. And on the back of Chun-Li, the same thing, just with her character name as well. So these are really cool collectibles, especially for the Street Fighter fan. They range from anywhere between $14.99 on the official PDP website to anywhere to $30 on Amazon.com and .ca. And as always, with anything at PDP, I love the product so much that I do highly recommend it, especially for the Street Fighter fan or just any gaming fan in general. It's a great desk accessory or room accessory, and it's really easy to turn on and off. So once again, highly recommended to any gaming fan and any Street Fighter fan. And again, thank you very much PDP for continuing to send us great products.
And thanks for watching, subscribe and like. Have a great day, bye. Kouli. Kollector. Kouli. Kollector. Kouli Kollector.